Hello everyone, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States over the next few days or so. We are going to be expecting some snowstorms to come through. I don't know how big they'll be, but it'll be at least some kind of snowstorm. I don't even know if it will be a snowstorm, but we'll see some snow come through the United States quite a few times, most likely. We're probably going to have snow squalls some places. We're going to have some Alberta clippers coming down into the United States, bringing a lot of cold into the United States. And we're going to have like 3 Arctic blasts after this one comes through, most likely. And I am going to be covering all of this in today's video. So let's get into it. So first, I just want to go over what is going on today. So let me slide this out of the way. There we go. And let's check out our weather forecast and see what's going on today for the United States. So today, it is December 5th, 2025, and this is what it's looking like in the United States right now. Composite radar. So you see these blue things? These are like the blue is snow, like these like blue blobs, like these. This is snow. This is snow in the United States right now. And then the green, you see the green? That is rain. The green is rain and the blue is snow. That's it. And that's what it's looking like in the United States today. So let's get into what we're going to be expecting today. So we have a winter storm watch up here, and we also have some snow up here. Um, this is just some snow. It's nothing crazy. It's not a snowstorm. We have a watch out for a snowstorm, but right now this is not a snowstorm. This blue thing is not a snowstorm. This snowstorm watch is for later. But you see this blue right here? This is all snow. No, we don't have to worry about it. But there's going to be a chance that we can see some icy roads out here in Minneapolis over the next few days or so. Well, I guess just today and tomorrow morning. Just drive carefully if you're out here in Minneapolis. It might last for a little longer than that, but if you're out there in Minneapolis, just watch out for icy roads, as well as if you are anywhere inside of the circle. Watch out for icy roads. Maybe just pretty much just if you have icy roads, just watch out for icy roads and stuff like that. And take a look at this, bro. And take a look at this. Look at all of this pink stuff. These are winter storm warnings. These are all winter storm warnings. And if you're inside of any of these pink things, you guys are expected to actually see a winter storm. Also, I'm sorry I said bro earlier. I did not mean to say bro. But yeah, if you're inside of any of these pink stuff, that is a winter storm warning, and you guys are expecting to see a winter storm. Heavy snow is expected at times. Total accumulations through Friday night between 3 and 6 inches in valleys and 10 to 18 inches in the mountains. Pretty much just this whole area could be seeing some snow and winter snowstorms. So that's it. We also have a high wind warning in parts of Washington today. There's going to be some scattered rain showers. Going to be some scattered snow. It's going to be pretty cold up here, I think. Maybe. But yeah, there's just going to be some wind coming in over here. And there could be some wind in this area. So recommend strapping down holiday objects and holiday decorations and all kinds of other objects that you have outside that's like that's not sturdy. I forgot what that was called. Um, Strap down unsecured objects is what I mean to say if you're up there. Sorry. But anyways, that's kind of what's going on today in that area. Look at all this rain that we have over here, parts of the east coast of the United States. We actually have a little bit of snow up here. We did have some snow move through this area today, and it started over here, and then it made its way up here. Look at that, that's funny. But yeah, it started over here, and it made its way up here, just like that. And we had some snow over here. We had some snow right here. We had some snow up here. And it was actually kind of crazy. We didn't have snow in Atlanta though. We did not. I don't think we just had rain. But we did have some snow around this area, and there has been a few crashes reported. If you're over here in Tallahassee, you guys are in the special weather statement right now for 40-mile-per-hour winds. That will expire in about 10 minutes. By the time you're watching this video, that's probably not even there anymore. But yeah, that's what this rain is supposed to. This rain will get out of here. It's moving southeast. Let's check out the feature radar for this winter storm winter storm. It's not really a winter storm, but let's just check out our feature radar for it to see where this thing is gonna go. Where's it at? Why is it not on here? Look, if you go there. Okay, so yeah, it's just supposed to weaken really fast. But then if we go to um tonight, like late tonight, around this on December 5th today, we see that we have a lot of snow moving through this area, and that could also cause some icy roads. Then we have a lot of snow up here as well. This is tonight and in the early morning hours of tomorrow. So yeah, that's what we're expecting. You can see this rain. Look at the rain. This rain will move out of here pretty soon as well. We don't have to worry about the rain. Um, but yeah, that's kind of what's going on today with our weather. Just for today, our temperatures are looking pretty different today. We got a cold blast over here, which we'll be talking about soon, and then we get just above average temperatures over here. So that's what we're going to be talking about next. So let's pull pivotal weather back into here. There we go. We have pivotal weather back, and this is the app. This is the website that I'm using to show you guys some of the forecasts. So let's just fast forward it because we already talked about all of that rain and stuff. Let's fast forward it into the future. So this is just our precipitation type radar. So show us our precipitation. Blue is snow, green is rain. This is for the time is up here to show to know where the future radar scan is. For example, this is December 9th. So this is what's going on December 9th. You got some snow up here. Got some. If it's this far into the future, we can't confirm anything, but it's still going to be likely. But you can see this is on December 9th. We have something that develops up here in Canada and parts of North Dakota. And then if we fast forward it a little bit, look, it goes right into Minnesota, goes into Wisconsin, and causes snow in northern Indiana, northern Ohio, parts of Michigan, into UP of Michigan. This thing could actually cause some snow. And this is December 10th. This is what it might look like around December 10th. Could be getting snow in northern Indiana on December 10th. But then that thing will just go way up here into Canada, and could actually combine with some moisture down here and some rain, and we could see just some very slight nor'easter impacts with this, but nothing crazy. And then you'll get some possible snow over here, and this is what it could be looking like around December 11th. We might have another snowstorm come through. It doesn't look too crazy though, and then that could cause nor'easter impacts. We're gonna have a nor'easter impact again at some time this year, but I just don't exactly know when. But that's kind of just what we're going to be expecting over the next few days or so. And the thing that I kind of want to talk about, the nearest snow that we're going to be expecting for the United States, like the closest to right now. Look at this is all the snow that we're going to have tonight and tomorrow. And look, that will come into a little blob over here in Iowa, cause some snow in Iowa, and that will go into Indiana and possibly causing snow in northern Indiana on December 7th. And then fast forward a little bit more. This is around December 8th, and then this is December 8th. But yeah, like just check out this little storm right here that is going to be coming through here. This is a little winter storm right here. This is for December 7th. It's a fast moving one. It's going to cause some snow in some areas. And that's it. That's what we're expecting with that. And now it's time to check out our temperature anomaly. So now we're on our temperature anomaly. This is what it's looking like in the United States right now. Just frigid temperatures up here in parts of northern Indiana. I mean, there's just really cold temperatures up here in northern Indiana. Parts of all of Indiana pretty much, but mostly northern Indiana. Then you got northwestern Ohio and parts of southern Michigan getting extremely cold temperatures. Pretty much this whole area is getting extremely cold temperatures. This is because of our Arctic blast that came down. This is what it looked like this morning. Pretty much like life-threatening temperatures out there. Pretty crazy. But fast forward that, you see that we're gonna have another Arctic blast come down into the United States, and that's gonna be causing some more cold temperatures, potentially as strong as that one. Then we're gonna have like a jet stream kind of coming out of the the northwest. We're gonna have a jet stream coming out of the northwest. That's gonna be causing another Arctic blast that could come down. Oh my gosh, there's a what do you call them, an ad that just popped up here. It scared me. I thought it was a bug for a second. You guys would understand if you saw it, but it's like a, here I'll show you it. I thought it was like a bug. Okay, it's not there anymore, sorry. But I thought a bug was on this book, so yeah. But yeah, that thing is just going to cause another Arctic blast to come down into the United States around December 10th. And boom, look at that. It's just going to come down from Canada and go right into the United States and cause another Arctic blast around December 10th. And there's going to be chances for a bunch of Arctic blasts throughout this year, and we're going to see a lot of Alberta Clippers come down into the United States, and stuff like that. An Arctic blast, polar vortex, all of that is going to be possible this year, and that's pretty much all there is today to talk about. I can show you guys the wind radar real quick if you guys want. Let me just get the wind radar up just to show you it right now. Not the height wind. I'll show you guys it. Let me find the wind. Here we go. This is where our jet stream is right now. Fast forward that. It's gonna be out there pretty soon. But you can see what's really actually causing the wind up here. Look at that. That's what's causing the wind. It's just pushing wind through that area. But if you look into the future, this is around December 10th. Look at this thing coming down from Canada. That's a little jet stream. That's going to be pushing down all the cold air into the United States. Could also cause some, some wind gusts is going to be a possibility. This is what it looks like around December 14th. We don't exactly know if this is going to happen. This could actually bring some cold air down to the United States. There is going to be a chance for severe weather in the future at some point because of these. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next Electric Channel weather video. Yeah, I'll update you guys in another Electric Channel video. And I'm doing a challenge where I try to make videos every day of December. I'm going to make a weather video every single day of December, and hopefully it works. So I'll see you guys in the next weather update video. Today is Friday, December 5th, 2025, and I'll be coming out with another video on December 6th, 2025. Bye. Hope you like this weather forecast.